Hello, I'm Amanda with Miss Kate Designs. Today I'm going to show you the Love Football Page Kit. I'm going to open this up and we're going to make it together today. Here's the cover page so you can see the layout, how it's been designed. I've got some old photos. I think I'm going to flip this page, or maybe this page. So these are some family history pictures of Grandpa playing football in the Army and in high school. These photos are some Army football photos during World War II. Now let's get these punched out. See how fast those punched out? Let's start sticking them around. Love football. I'm gonna stick that there. All right, I think I've got those laid out the way I like them, so I'm just gonna tack them down. Actually, I'm gonna put another star over here. I'm changing this up. My last die cut, we're gonna put it right there. And this is my page kit, and you can see how I've changed it a little bit from the design layout by turning my page. I just did that so that my horizontal pictures would fit a little bit better. But this is a great kit if you've got any football lovers or if you have some old photos that you'd like to add too. I may as well look at these other die cuts we've got here too. This cute football helmet, these little pennants, the big game. There. This is going to be a page that we treasure forever. My kids will look at their great grandpa and be proud. Come and join our monthly page kit club. All page kits are $5. For every 10 kits you buy, you get a free page kit. There are over 30 page kits to choose from every month, and we'll ship it out to you for free. If you want your page kits shipped out before you've reached the 10 mark that gives you the free shipping, just email us at misskatecutables@gmail.com. We'll just invoice you for the shipping. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoy our page kits.